Do you want to manage projects remotely? Are you seeking digital transformation in the implementation of projects? Do you want a flexible way to manage and track projects remotely? Do you want to improve the quality of projects? Do you want to work with the concept of paperless projects? Now you can do it! Achieve this and more through our integrated electronic platform in project management, IScope. IScope is the ideal solution to coordinate business among all project stakeholders: owner, consultant, contractor, quality labs. It is applied in a number of government agencies. IScope. With its easy, effective interfaces, you are guaranteed to automate all phases of projects, starting from budget approval, then implementation, reaching to final delivery and archiving, including all operations and procedures relying on a broad base of settings, permissions, and means of protection. IScope relies on the latest technologies to transmit field reality instantly with the utmost transparency and provide analytics for decision makers. You can now devote yourself to your technical work and let us take care of the hard administrative work. Follow, control, and take the necessary decisions and actions at the right time. Become our partner to ensure success. Get our full support at all times. IScope, Future of Project Supervision.